Question 1. The veterinarian examined the injured animal carefully, treated its wounds gently, and provided medication for a speedy recovery. Question 2. Could you please close the window? Requested the elderly gentleman as the cold wind blew through the room. Question 3. The detective investigated the mystery thoroughly, examining clues, interviewing witnesses, and analyzing evidence systematically. Question 4. While preparing for the examination, students reviewed their notes, practiced past papers, and discussed difficult topics together. Question 5. I hope the weather improves, sighed the farmer while looking at the cloudy sky, because the crops need sunshine. Question 6. The music festival featured diverse performers: classical orchestras, jazz bands, rock groups, and folk singers from around the world. Question 7. What subjects are you studying this term? Inquired the guidance counselor during the academic planning meeting. Question 8. The mountain expedition required special equipment: climbing ropes, safety helmets, weatherproof clothing, and emergency supplies. Question 9. After watching the documentary, the environmental group organized beach cleanups, planted native trees, and educated local communities. Question 10. Please remember to bring your passport, advised the travel agent, when you arrive at the airport tomorrow. Question 11. The local bookstore organized special events: author readings, poetry workshops, children's storytelling, and book discussion groups. Question 12. Where shall we meet for lunch today? Wondered Sarah as she checked her calendar for available time slots. Question 13. During the archaeology dig, researchers discovered ancient pottery, bronze tools, carved jewelry, and written tablets from the civilization. Question 14. I think we should leave now, whispered Tom quietly, before the rain starts falling heavily. Question 15. The community center offers various activities: fitness classes, art workshops, computer training, and social events for residents. Question 16. While visiting the zoo, families observed elephants, watched feeding demonstrations, learned about conservation, and enjoyed educational talks. Question 17. How did you solve that difficult problem? Ask the mathematics teacher with genuine curiosity and admiration. Question 18. The photography exhibition displayed stunning images, portraits, landscapes, wildlife shots, and architectural photographs from talented artists. Question 19. Before the graduation ceremony, students practiced walking in formation, rehearsed receiving diplomas, and prepared acceptance speeches. Question 20. Did you remember to submit your assignment? Questioned the professor as students filed into the lecture hall. Question 21. The neighborhood festival included many attractions: live music performances, food stalls, carnival rides, and craft demonstrations. Question 22. I can't decide which book to read, pondered Lisa thoughtfully. Perhaps you could recommend something interesting. Question 23. The space mission required careful planning: rocket preparation, crew training, equipment testing, and safety protocol reviews. Question 24. While exploring the ancient ruins, tourists took photographs, collected souvenirs, studied historical information, and enjoyed guided tours. Question 25. When will the construction project be completed? Asked the concerned resident at the community planning meeting.